back to the Vermost Insurance Agency Portal tutorial series. In this video, we will continue our in-depth look in our tab section, covering policies, auto ID, claims, documents, and online payments. Let's get started. Go ahead and head over to your tabs on the left of your screen and select Policies. Here you see all the policies within this account with Vermost Insurance. To learn more about your policy, go ahead and click on one of your policies. As you can see, you have your policy number, the dates of your policy, and the name of the insured. You can also see who your insurance carrier is, and if you would like a PDF version of your policy to print, you can click this link here. You also have the option to add or remove a driver or vehicle from your policy, as well as making a change to your policy. We covered this in our previous video, so make sure to check that out for a more in-depth look. To get back to your policy screen, you can click the Back To list, and it will take you back to where we started. Same for your homeowner's policy. You can see your policy's number, the dates, and the name of the insured. If you would like to request a change, you can do that here as well. Make sure to provide as much information as possible so your agent can follow up if need be. Let's move forward to our next tab, Auto ID. If you've lost your card or just made a change and need to replace your current ID card, right from your account, you can print out your new Auto ID. Just give your auto policy a click, and in a separate box will pop up a PDF of your ID card. As you can see here, once we're zoomed in, all the information about your current vehicle is here and is ready to print. Moving along to the Claims tab. If you need to file a claim with any of your policies, you can do that in this section here. Go ahead and fill out all the information. And once that's submitted, your agent will follow up with you when the claim is received. Heading over to our next tab, our Documents tab. Anytime you need to get a document to your agent, this is the place to go. Simply choose the policy you are adding the document to, click on the Select Files, and go ahead and drop the document. As you can see here, we've already uploaded a document. Here's a photo of my 1992 Ford Anglia. This goes for anything, photos, paper documents, and anything else you might need to show your agent. For our last tab, we have our Online Payments tab. You can now pay all of your insurance bills due through Vermost Insurance's portal. When you receive your invoice, simply enter the number and your zip code. Choose your method of payment and fill out your billing information. You can also click this link right here if you would like to receive your receipt through text. And that's it. Simple to do, and you no longer must go through your insurance carrier. That concludes our tutorial series through the Vermost Insurance portal. We hope you found these videos helpful as you begin navigating through your own portal page. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us and our team. We would be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.